In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change notification LED light color for WhatsApp application. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up WhatsApp application. Make sure you are at the Chats tab, so if some other tab is selected, then just tap right here to go to Chats. After that, tap at these three dots here and select Settings. Now, guys, at Settings we need to tap right here at Notifications, and that's where we can easily find the option Light. If I tap on it right here, it will allow me to set different light color for WhatsApp notifications. Currently it is set to white, however we can switch it to red, yellow, green, I don't know how to pronounce it, blue and purple. And also we can toggle it off by selecting none. Once you selected some different option here, then just don't forget to hit at OK to save it. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.